Hey everybody, it's TJ and welcome to what is going to be a pretty cool video about, well, Star Wars. Ever since 1977, 8 years old in the movie theater. You hear that? The rumble, something big is unfolding. That started it all. And since then, even now at my age of 50 years old, I am still collecting Star Wars stuff. Let me grab the camera and then we could be mobile. But here, I'll show you. Posters, of course. This bad boy, a reprint of the original 1977 movie poster. If you look closely, it says right there, Revenge of the Jedi, old school. So, you know I'm a Star Wars fan. The one problem with the Star Wars universe, 1978 at the time, because as a kid, the toys didn't start coming out till 78, 79. Yes, I had the Millennium Falcon. Yes, I had the Slave One. Yes, I had the Snowspeeder. I know what you're thinking. Why are some of the pieces missing? Because I was a kid, I used it, nothing here is mint. But they never, in all the years, created, roll tape, that bad boy right there. The Star Destroyer. So, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna see if I can take this, it's cardboard, a lot of it, and turn it into this. Let's go. Yes, short answer, yes, you can do it. I did it. But this bad boy only exists because of the magical powers of this, man. You gotta know how to use a hot glue gun. You gotta go get a decent one, buy a bunch of glue sticks, practice on some cardboard first. But all of this is done with a razor knife. I just scaled it up. I had a picture on a piece of paper. I'll throw it up here so you can see. Really, you can find this on the internet. And of course, just take whatever you can to measure it and then just scale it up. If the picture shows it at, 4 inches long from front to back, then you scale it up for every inch, make it a foot, and you have a 4 foot long one. Point is just scale it up and then you can get creative. This thing still needs to have a few things done to it, but I will tell you that for the most part I'm happy with it on display. And actually, if you notice, there's a piece missing here, some of the front, and I'm just going to take this piece and scribe it, cut the exact opposite, and then hot glue it here. There's no big engine in the back as of yet. It still needs a lot of work, but I just couldn't wait to show you. I have it on display. I'm not going to paint it, because if I painted it, it would, this is cardboard. It would just soak up all the moisture in the paint and then start to warp. And so I like the cardboard look. I don't know if you agree, but I like the cardboard look. And I just took my time, did everything to scale, cut it all out with a razor knife, very carefully, mind you, and hot glued it together. But I'm telling you right now, the answer is the hot glue gun. Get one and have fun. You can create anything. As a matter of fact, there's another video of the AT-AT walker that we did. That whole thing is put together with hot glue. And hot glue is so strong. In that case, it's a lot of big pieces, so I zip tied most of those pieces together. You can check that video out. Like and subscribe. More Star Wars stuff. Oh, and one more thing I will tell you as far as inside of this, I can't pull it apart because it is glued, obviously, but there is ribbing. So let me show you the back part. See this back part right here? See that piece that I measured and cut out? Well, I did the same thing throughout. So in here, there's one here, there's one here, and a smaller one here. And it keeps it from collapsing. It gives it some rigidness. Star Destroyer out of cardboard. Ta-da! Like, subscribe, share. May the Force be with you. Or something like that. Right, Archie?